Planning versus being spontaneous. Okay, what is good, what is bad, what works, what doesn't work. To be honest, I really don't know. I really don't know. Who knows though? Only one person knows. You know. You know what's the better option for you. Okay? If you're good at planning, if you're comfortable with planning, great, okay? But if you're comfortable being spontaneous, do it. Just fucking do it, okay? If you get a spontaneous idea like now, today, you want to put it out, make a video, go open your camera, make that video, be spontaneous, because I thrive on spontaneity. Okay, some other dude right there could thrive on planning, but both of these things, okay, that dude is more how do you say, more comfortable with planning and making a video tomorrow and yada yada, and that's all good because that's good for him. He understands what he has to put out, what he has to plan, blah blah blah. And certain people are good with spontaneity because it just comes naturally from within. Intuition just speaks. You're excited when you do the video. You're like, I got this information in my head. I need the whole world to know about it. It would be so healing, and it would be so much of benefits, so many people when I can make this video. And and if you don't have the options to make the video at that particular point of time, just write it down as this thing, come back home, take out your camera and make the video. This is not only for making the video, dance, singing, directing, doing whatever the hell you want to do, engineering, or whatever you want to do. So should you plan or should you be spontaneous? Neither. Not neither, any one of them, but the choice is yours. The choice is yours because you are the one who knows which one is better and which one is not. So if somebody tells you, oh yeah, planning always works, everybody has to plan, don't believe him, because what's true for you is not true for somebody else. Because we all have, once again, we all have different experiences. We are all even different zodiac signs for some days. For those who are into astrology, Taurus can be super planned and this thing. Another sign, Sagittarius, can be spontaneous as hell, but both of them get the work done, and both of them can convey the same emotional content, same product in two very different ways. So whatever works for you is what you should be comfortable with. You don't have to listen to somebody else just because they said, oh, planning works for everybody and everybody should plan, and so you should be planning. And then when you want to plan, you plan something, and then you have a particular idea, you plan that, okay, I'm going to do only one video per day, so you take the idea and put it for the next day, and then when you get up the next day, you want to do the video, but now you have a different mindset. You don't even remember what things you wanted to say on the video, and see how the plan didn't go. The plan didn't go as a plan because you were more spontaneous probably. So you're a spontaneous person. So when you're a spontaneous person, what you do, you just take out the camera, start filming, put the video out. It is okay, and then maybe you can make about 3 to 4 videos or whatever, do 3 to 4 songs or whatever, and then release them at different timings, or have somebody release it for you, or schedule a particular time just to go and upload it on YouTube, or whatever you're doing. I'm giving you examples from my life. I thrive on spontaneity. I love spontaneity. I just love, like, if I get an idea. But a lot of times I think, oh, maybe I should just write it down and put it. And when I plan, for me, it doesn't work out that well. Because when I plan, later on, next day, I become lazy. I'm like, oh, why should I even do this, do that, yada yada. But for me, spontaneity works how it works. It works such that, like, suddenly I'll be spontaneous and I'll have that energy and I'll work. Not work. I start just being productive. I'll just be productive for like 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10, 11, 12 hours. And then there'll be a spell where I don't even feel like doing anything next day. And that is fine. That is absolutely freaking fine, because everybody works differently. Certain people have a daily routine, and yeah, in our system we have 5 days a week, 9 to 5 job and then 2 days off. That all goes with a plan because it's a company. But when you're doing what you want to do, don't set that limit for yourself. Set the limit you want to set the limit you are comfortable with. Guess what? Who's doing the video? You. Okay, where the product is coming out from? You. So who needs to be comfortable? You, not the person who's telling you, oh, you got a plan. Not that person, not the people. The people don't need to be comfortable, because you need to be comfortable, because you are the one giving the information out. So we are the ones receiving the information from you, receiving the product from you. So we need to be comfortable, getting that comfortable, and we need to believe in the product that you are giving out, the information that you are giving out. And for us to believe in it, and for us to get that energy from the product that you're giving out, the product needs to have that energy source, right? And that energy source comes from you when you are comfortable doing what you like. This is very important. When you are comfortable doing what you like, and when you give out the product, whether it's spontaneous, whether you work spontaneously or whether you like working planned, when you're comfortable doing what you like and you do things that you give out in a comfortable way, in a nice manner, what happens is, in a way that you want to do this, you want to create an impact, what happens is that energy naturally goes into that product. And when we see the product, or when we use the product, when we feel the product, or when the product becomes a service to other people, they get that energy that you put in the first place. You understand what I'm saying? So it's very important to understand how you function, whether you plan, not plan, whether you do something now and do something later, whether you write lyrics first and then get a song, or whether you get a song and write lyrics first. It's all exclusive to your comfortability. Okay, that's a new word. Okay, so be comfortable in yourself. That is the number one rule. Plan, no plan goes according to that. So that comfortable level, that ease that you put into the product is the ease that we get out of using that product. So remember that, okay? Signing out. Okay, bye.